Hello, friends. Good day to you all. We're talking on how to earn 10,000 naira daily. How to earn 10,000 naira daily by watching video ads. Start making money online now. As I always say, your phone tends to be an asset to you. It shouldn't be a liability. Your phone should bring you money on daily basis because there are several resources that you are making use with your phone, your time, your money, your data, and the other factors. But it's quite unfortunate that many people, their phone is just a liability to them and a form of pleasure and just for communication sake. But when after you have watched this video, I believe that you are going to take a drastic action and turn your phone to a money making machine. Alright, this is what I'm going to share with you today in this video. But before I go further, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this wonderful channel called Lasogenic BIZZTALK. Alright, Lasogenic BIZZTALK is a channel that is created to share with you few ways whereby I personally make money online. Ways whereby I have been making money online for myself, and I review online investment platform today in this channel, and I give you my sincere recommendation so that it can serve as a basis for your own financial decision. And mind you, this channel is mainly for financial education and not for financial advice. For that reason, you are expected to do your own due diligence and research before you venture into any of the content being explained here. So actually, this is one of the few ways whereby I have been making money for myself, and I think it's worth sharing with you guys. Okay, so if you are new on this channel or you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do that now. Kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Set it to all notifications so that you'll be continually aware of the next updates, so that you won't miss out on any of the information on any training video that I'm going to drop like this. Okay, and if after you have watched this video you found it to be very meaningful, useful, and helpful, and so please don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves. Thanks so much. So once again, what we are considering today is how to earn 10,000 naira daily by watching video ads. So for that reason, I'm going to take you to the app now, whereby you can be watching video ads and you get money on daily basis. So video ads, that is very common in these days, most especially on the social networking sites, be it Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. But it's quite unfortunate that we do watch all these video ads unknowingly and nothing comes out of it for us in terms of money. So this is an opportunity for you whereby you watch video ads and you get paid for it. You get paid for it. You get paid for the video that you have watched. So the name of the platform is Fire VIP. Don't worry, in the description box of this video, just check it for your registration link so that you can join us, so that you can make money together with my team. All right, so in Fire VIP there are several plans. After you have successfully registered your account, you have created the account, so the next thing for you to do is just to click on this rent. You click on this particular place, rent. So when you click on rent, so you are going to see the various ad machine that you can buy. So you can buy ad machine level A, level B, A level, B level, C level, D level, E level, and F level. And in all this level, their prices varies and their daily revenue also vary. If you start with a B levels ad machine, it only costs 16,000 naira. It's now 14,400, and you'll be earning 851 naira daily. If you go for the C-level hat machine, it costs 36,000 naira and you are earning 2,256 naira daily. If you go for the D-level hat machine, it costs 155,000 naira and you are earning 9,536 daily. If you go for the hard level E, it costs 315,000 naira and you are earning 20,096 naira daily. And the last one is 955,000 naira, which is F levels admission, and you'll be earning nothing less than 63,000 naira on daily basis. So this is an opportunity for you to make money while watching video ads. So, and the video advert, it doesn't take time. So I'm going to watch the video ads for today, see how it goes, how to get started with it. So I will need to click on start now. So for you, okay, before you do that, before you to watch the video for the day, just come down to the home here. You just need to click on the home button. When you click on the home button, so it will take you to the place. Then you now click on start. When you click on start, then you can see my A-level heart machine has been activated, and I'm also going to activate new one very soon. So we click on to so you can start with the A-level heart machine that costs just 4,000 naira. You can start with depending on your own financial strength. So then you need to click on to be started, and after you have clicked on to be started, then you click on watch now. So it takes less than 2 minutes. You can see the progress. It is now in progress. 20%, 21%, 23. So it takes less than 2 minutes. So this is the advert that comes up and you watch it. That's how it goes. You know, there are several adverts that comes in this form on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on other social network sites, and we do watch them, but we are getting nothing in return for that. So this is a means whereby you can get more